Students, I am Raja Chauhan from Lakshya International School Maheshwar. Today we are going to solve exercise 4.3 of chapter number 4, negative numbers and integers, class 6th mathematics. For our topic is subtraction of integers. How we will subtract the integers? We will see subtraction on number line. Okay, how we can solve the subtraction on number line? Suppose our question is find the difference of 8 minus 3. So first we will start from 0. And move to the 8. Okay, now 8, now you can see there is a subtraction, means minus 3. So you have to move back, okay, 3 units to the left. When you will move 3 units left, you will add 5, okay, which is 8 minus 3 equals to 5. So you have to represent that on number line. Now we will see the questions. Exercise number 4.3. Question number 1. Do the following subtraction sum on the number line. First, 7 minus bracket minus 1. Now here minus plus means 7 plus 1 equals to 8. Now first we have to make the number line. Now first we will go to the 7, 0 to 7, then plus 1. Okay, so plus 1 at 8. Now you can make the arrows. So this will be our solution. You have to make the number line and you have to represent it. Now question number 7. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. First we will move to 0 to 8, and then you have to move 4 back. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Now you are at 4. Okay, so 4 is our answer. Question number 3. Minus 6 minus 2. So first we will move 0 to minus 6. Now minus 2 1 2. We are at minus 8. Now 0 to, first we will move minus 7, minus plus, now plus 5, 1 2 3 4 5. We are at minus 2. So minus 2 is answer. Now question number 2. Subtract the following. Minus 2 from 15. You have to subtract minus 2 from 15. So 15 minus, what is the value? Minus 2, minus plus. So 15 plus 2, that is 17 is answer. Now question number 2. 29 from minus 16. 16 minus 29. Okay, so minus plus 45, greater sign, that is minus. So 45 is answer. So like this you have to solve. All the answers are given here. We have to solve them likewise. Now question number 3. The sum of two integers is minus 49. If one integer is minus 16, find the other one. So the sum of two integer is minus 49. One integer is minus 16. Now let the other integer be x. So minus 16 is x to minus 49. We have to write now x equals to minus 49. Now here the value is in minus, so here plus. When we will transfer negative value to left, and in LHS negative value, when we transfer it in RHS, it will become of positive. Now 49 minus 16, that is 33, greater sign of 49 minus, so minus 33 is answer. Now question number 4. Find the predecessor by subtracting 1. Now in this question you just have to subtract minus 1 in the given value. Suppose our first question is minus 67. So you just have to subtract 1, means minus 68 answer. Now question number 2. 128 minus 1, 127. Minus 35 minus 1, minus 36. 0 minus 1, minus 1. 99 minus 1, 98. minus 301 minus 1 minus 302. Question number 5. From the sum of minus 26 and minus 112 subtract 85. So the sum of minus 26 plus minus 112, first we will find this one, minus 26 minus 112, 138 minus. Okay, now we have find out this one. Now we have to subtract 85 in this one, so minus 38 minus 85, the answer is minus 223. Question number 6. Subtract the sum of 32 and minus 11 from the sum of 49 and minus 53. So first we will find the sum of 32 and minus 11, answer is 21. Now we will find sum of 49 and minus 53, answer is minus 4. Now we have to subtract both the sums. So when we will subtract minus 4 minus 21, we will get minus 25, which is our answer. Question number 7. The sum of two integers is 12. If one integer is minus 48, find the other. Check your answers. Now sum of two integers is 12 and one integer is minus 48. So we have to consider our other integer as x, as we solved this question in previous also. So this in the same manner you have to solve 48 plus x equals to 12. Now x equals to 12. Here it is minus sign. Now when we will transfer to RHS, it will become a positive sign. X equals to 60. Now we have to check whether our answer is correct or not. So we have to put the value of x in this one. Okay, so when we will put minus 48 plus 60 equals to 12, we will get. Okay, so this is our answer. Question number 8. What should be added to minus 45 to get minus 32? Okay, so we have to consider the number as x. So minus 45 plus x equals to minus 32. Now x equals to minus 32 plus 45. When we will transfer it, it will become a positive sign. 45 minus 32, answer is 13. This is our answer. Which is greater, the sum of 72 and minus 42 or the sum of minus 65 and 96? By how much? So the sum of 72 and minus 42 is 30. Now the sum of minus 65 and 96 is 31. Now we have to find out the difference. Okay, so difference means you have to subtract them. So 31 minus 30 equals to 1. So it is greater by 1. Question number 10. Find the value of the following. Okay, so first question is minus 40 plus minus 21 plus minus 16. Minus 40. Now here plus minus minus, so minus 21 plus minus 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 16. Now first we will solve this one. Minus 40 minus 21, minus minus plus, so 40 and 21 61. Now greater sign minus, so minus 61. Minus 61 minus 16, again you have to minus plus, again you have to add them. So 77 and the greater sign will be minus, so minus 77 is answer. Now we will solve question number 2. 72 plus minus minus. Now plus 40 as it is, plus minus minus, so minus 22. Now first we will solve this one. 72 minus 16, 56. Okay, so in next step you have to write 56. Now 56 plus 40, 96. Now 96 minus 22, 74. Our answer. Now question number 3. 63 plus minus minus. Here also plus minus minus. 63 minus 24, minus 23. So here minus 24 minus 23 equals to minus 47. Now 63 minus 47 equals to 16. So like this you have to solve. We will solve now question number 7. 3000 minus 1000 plus 2000. So 3000 minus 1000 we will get 2000. Now 2000 plus 2000, 4000 is our answer. All the answers are given here. We just have to solve them. Now question number 11. What should be added to the sum of minus 26 and 31 to make it equal to the sum of minus 35 and minus 11? So first we will find out the sum of 26 and 31 and the sum of minus 35 and minus 11. When we will find out 5 and minus 46 is answer. Now we have to find the third number. So 5 plus x equals to minus 46. X equals to minus 46 minus 5. Now minus minus plus means you have to add them and you have to put the greater value sign. So 46 minus 46 minus 5, you will get 51 of minus sign. Now question number 12. Put greater or less than sign in the boxes given below. Now here you just have to compare both the values in LHS also, in RHS also, and then you have to put the sign in the boxes. So minus 7 plus 12, here you can see minus 7, 12 plus 12, minus minus plus, so minus 7 plus 12 plus 2 means 14. Here answer is 7. Now here minus 6 minus 11 means minus 17. Now plus minus minus 3 minus 20. So you can see 7 is greater than minus 20, so we have to put greater than sign. This is our answer. So like this we have to solve. You have to solve both the sides and then you have to put the sign. Here we have completed our chapter number 4. Now we will start our chapter number 5. Till that you have to practice all the questions very well. Thank you and have a nice day.